This AI tool just dropped a new update, and it can generate insanely high-quality videos completely for free. We're talking text to video, image to video, and even smooth animations between images. And yes, I'll also show you how to use it without running out of credits. Hey guys, welcome back to 99 Reviews, where we test the latest AI tools so you don't waste your time. Today's tool is powerful, but most people are using it the wrong way. So in this video, I'll show you the correct setup and some pro tips to get the best possible results. First, open the platform and create your account using Google. Once you're inside, don't just click random options. There's a hidden free mode that most users miss. Scroll a bit, find the free option, and start from there. Now, before generating anything, fix these settings. Set the output to one video only, and choose 720p resolution for testing. If you don't do this, your credits will disappear very quickly. You can always increase the quality later, but in the beginning, test smart. Now let's create a video using text. Just write a simple prompt like a cinematic drone shot of mountains during sunrise with soft lighting. Choose your aspect ratio, set the duration, and generate. You'll notice something interesting. This AI doesn't just focus on the main subject. It builds a full environment around it, which makes the video feel much more realistic. Now let's move to the best feature, image to video. Just upload any image and ask the AI to animate it. It can turn a simple photo into a moving cinematic scene, and the results are surprisingly realistic.
Great day on set, huh? Let's get a selfie to remember it. Absolutely, this is awesome.
If you don't have images, no problem. You can generate them inside the same tool. Just type your idea, and it will give you multiple options. Pick the best one, download it, and then convert it into a video. So basically, your workflow becomes text to image to video. Now here's a powerful trick. You can use a starting image and an ending image, and the AI will animate everything in between. This gives you much more control and helps you create story-based content. Now the big question, what happens when credits finish? Simple. Credits are tied to your account, so you can log in with another account and continue using the tool. Just make sure you use this method responsibly. So yeah, this is easily one of the best free AI tools right now for creating videos and content. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to 99 Reviews. I'll see you in the next one.
购物就是这么简单。